Hello and welcome to the status report overview of our funds in February. Let's start by taking a look at performance of our equity funds. Skagen Kontiki and Skagen Global both had a good second month of the year. Skagen Kontiki gained 3.6% and was more or less in line with its benchmark index, while Skagen Global was up almost 7% in February, 1 percentage point ahead of its benchmark. If we look at the broader equity market performance, Russia, Austria and Hungary were among the top performing markets, while Turkey, Egypt and Nigeria were among the bottom performers measured in euro. Several global economies pursued expansionary economic policies by cutting interest rates during February. Russia took a drastic route and cut its rate by 200 basis points. On the opposite side of the spectrum, Brazil continues to tighten rates as the country grapples with high inflation. Next, the main drivers of the fund's performance during the month. For Skagen Global, Citigroup, Renault and AIG were the best monthly contributors to absolute performance. AIG and Renault both reported strong numbers for the fourth quarter in 2014, indicating that they are heading in the right direction. Electronics giant Samsung, Global Telecom Holding and State Bank of India were the three main detractors. Both Samsung and SBI had periods of strong performance last year, but have mainly moved sideways so far this year. For Skagen Kontiki, Chinese auto manufacturer Great Wall Motor was the top contributor with stellar figures, especially in the higher margin SUV segment. Lenovo also shown following dramatic improvement in the PC business and good results from recent acquisitions. The global shipping and energy conglomerate AP Møller-Mærsk announced the sale of its stake in Danske Bank, as well as a higher ordinary dividend. Among the lead detractors was Hyundai Motor, which announced weak shipments and fourth quarter 2014 results. The Turkish industrial and financial conglomerate Sabancı also had a tough month in a weak domestic market. Let's move on to some of the portfolio activity during February. Skagen Global purchased shares in the legendary American conglomerate General Electric. The American stock market has been reaching new all-time highs for years now after the financial crisis, but nonetheless GE has an interesting price tag. The company is now striving to improve operations. During February, Baker Hughes and Weatherford were sold out of Skagen Global's portfolio. Skagen Kontiki initiated a position in CBD. We think the Brazilian retail operator has good growth momentum, although this is not reflected in the current valuation. On the selling side, Skagen Kontiki exited Heineken and Rocket Internet, as both stocks reached our price targets. Those are the highlights for February. For more information, please visit the Skagen website. Thank you for watching.